Okay, so most traders are losing money right here, they're losing money right here, they're losing even money right here, and even right here. I was able to make $8,000 just by getting in right here in one move. Literally, when I say one move, I mean one move. Did I spell that right? Of course, because I'm a trader. I promise you it wasn't luck, it was pure manipulation. And I saw it coming. Look, I've blew more trading accounts than I can count. Literally, like during New York session, I used to get smacked. It felt random, like the market literally just hated me. Then I finally discovered what New York manipulation was and how it impacts the trading session every single day. And when I tell you every single day, this pattern, it repeats itself every single day. And once you understand it, the markets start to make sense. This 8K, there was no luck involved. It was anticipating the trap before it happened. So let's break down this setup step by step. It's very simple. So basically, when you're looking for the New York manipulation, you want to understand what's going on during London. London is going to create false highs and false lows for where today's price is going to go. That's generally what you want to look for. So you can see this is London session. It's a session after Asian session. So we're going to fast forward, replay tool. And this is going to go into the exact setup that I took to make $8,000. So we have London session right here, right? All you're waiting for is to see what high or what low gets taken out. That's it. You're looking for the manipulation. You're looking for the trick. You're looking for the trap. So we let price play out. So now you see London's false low was just smashed and it was taken out. So me, what I'm thinking in my head is I am going to be looking at the daily bias to see what we can anticipate. So at this point, how I'm looking at it is we had a close on previous day of previous day, right? But we didn't have a close below previous day's low as of yet in this session. And we already took out previous day's low, right? So us already taking out previous day's low, I know it's not a lot of sell side liquidity residing, right? So everything that we already took sell side. So I'm more interested in getting buy side liquidity in said session. I know a lot of people, they want to get the daily bias and they want to hold it for the entire day, but the charts are moving up and down throughout the day. So it's taking sell side and it's taking buy side liquidity. So this prompted me to focus on buy side liquidity. So all I'm looking for right now is just a change of state of delivery. But guess what? If I don't get the change of state of delivery, then I don't take a trade. So this was my change in state of delivery because we had a close above this whole run of down close candles. That's the easy way to know that you have an actual market structure shift. And all I'm waiting for is price to return to the fair value gap down below in a discount. So look, even you can see I could have got on this fair value gap and I could have hit TP, but obviously we want a better risk RR. I do like to take a minimum of 1 or 2. So I mean, that's my minimum, but this was for 1 and 3 to take out this high. To make a lot of money in trading, you don't have to catch every single thing. You don't have to catch the entire move. You can get bits and pieces, get the low hanging fruit, get what it's willing to give. So we see price go up, going to play the in, draw down just a tiny bit, and take profit was hit. Take profit was hit. Listen, I held this trade for 3 hours. I didn't take any partials. It was a full take profit trade. It was an ideal trade. 8K is not typical. That's a quality setup. But what's more important than the money? It's a level of confidence that you continue to develop as you keep seeing these patterns play out on a daily basis. Literally day in, day out. These patterns repeat themselves daily. And I promise you, I am not special at all. Like my kids, they are screaming. It was a struggle for me to get this video done. Wife in there cooking some food, like, smell like fried, whatever. Like, bro, I'm a regular person, I'm telling you. But I study, man. Thousands of hours, thousands of back tests, thousands and thousands of trades. I paid attention, I paid my time, and I paid my dues, and now trading is paying me. But I need you to be honest, like be genuine with yourself. Have you ever got in a trade in New York? You've seen prices going down, so you're chasing it. You're pretty much chasing the manipulation at this point. But you're chasing the trade, and it finally comes back. You think it's a retest into maybe a fair value gap, maybe an order block, a bearish one, when price is going down. And then price keeps going up. You're like, bro, what's happening? I was following quote unquote institutional order flow, but no, man, you just got cooked because you didn't know that was New York market manipulation. And they do this every single day. The only difference you need to understand is, are you inside or are you outside the manipulation, outside making money, or inside getting clapped? And I promise you, before I found this concept, bro, I would hope and pray that price would just go in my direction. I would just hope it would go in my direction. And I know whenever you have hope in whatever strategy you have, instant failure. You just run away from the setup. But now I wait for it to show me what it wants to do. I wait for price to show me its hand. I know exactly what the charts are going to do, and I know what to anticipate and what trades to anticipate because I wait for it to show me. This is one setup, right? But it's repeatable and smart money's doing it day in and day out. They literally trap retail and then they run the other way. In the next video, I'm gonna go even deeper on how to compound this and make this into a 5-figure trade. I'm gonna show you my exact scaling strategy. Learn the manipulation. If this opened your eyes, make sure you drop New York market manipulation in the comments. I'll drop the full blueprint in the next video. When you take trading serious, it'll take you serious.